What's good, YouTube? This your boy Deebo Quality Custom Designs, back with another video. And in today's video, we will be embroidering a patch. And the patch will be, well, if you already saw the thumbnail, you know what it's going to be. But we will be doing Deebo. So that will be the patch that we'll be stitching out. I just found it about a week ago, and I've been just working on it daily. And I think it's the right time. I actually was just going to do a regular stitch out, but I think I'm going to go ahead and try to do applique. So the tool we'll need is, of course, the hoop, stabilizer, your felt, or not felt, but your fabric. And this is the felt that I will be using, the brownish, for the face and the neck part. So this is what I'll be using, and we'll use some spray adhesive. So. And of course, you'll need some type of cutter. So that will be all the equipment. So let's go ahead right now and get everything situated. So let me start. You know what? I got a better idea. Perfect. There we go. Just to save some time. So let's go take everything over to the machine and get it started. All right, so now we are at the machine. We have the hoop already set. We have our thread, and this will be, like I said, the felt that we'll be using for the face portion. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut some out. I know it's not gonna be too big. So let me get the clipping now so I can save some material. Okay, so just cut it 2 pieces, and let's go ahead and lay this under. Perfect. So that'll be the face and the neck part. So like I said, so let's get that started now. All I gotta do is push this down and press the button. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here. Lift that up and go ahead and cut it. Hold on. Okay, now that that's done, just gonna hold this part real quick. Okay, and I'm gonna stop it here. Make sure you always lift it up, just in case you make a mistake and hit that button. You don't want to mess your hand up. All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and cut that out, and I'll be right back, guys. So I am back. I cut everything. To be honest, this is probably the best it's gonna get as far as just my outline. I actually know that it's going to be covered in black thread for the border, so it's not a big of a deal. So let's go ahead and put in the second color, which will be the blue for the shirt, and get that started now. So we are back, and I know I probably didn't say it at the beginning of the video, but yes, R.I.P to Tommy Lester, aka Deebo. He played some great movies. He played in some great movies. He had a lot of great characters. Of course, the well-known one, well, one of them will probably be Friday. So this is one of those type of videos, you know, just doing a tribute to him. So I will have more of these videos coming soon. Stay tuned for the Black Panther. Sorry it's so late, but I have been doing other projects. And while we are on the subject of just some of his movies, let me know, guys, down in the comment section about Friday. What was your favorite scene in Friday? Even if it's not a Deebo scene or whatever, but what was your favorite scene? You know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. I would just like to know, you know. So let's continue with the video. And if you are still here watching the video, do me a huge favor, guys, and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated, guys. Thank you. I actually wanted to make the shirt stripes like the shirt he was wearing, which was like a blue with some red stripes and some white in there. But I mean, let's be real, it's embroidery. I can't get too much in detail just because of the stitches. So I just went with a simple blue and called it a day. So we are off to the black, which will be the outline of everything, and then some of the inside as far as the eyes and the mouth and stuff like that. So let's jump into that and get that started, guys. Stay tuned. Also, guys, something else I did want to say was, I don't know if it was true or not, but I know we were hearing the news about another Friday coming out, something like the last Friday or something like that in particular. I can't remember, but how do you guys felt like that Friday would have came out? Would it have been a dub? Would it have been like a regular Friday, next Friday, Friday after next? Let me know your opinion, guys, down in the comment section. Honestly, me personally, I think it would have been all right. On the Friday level, I don't know, but I think in all, it would have been a good movie to watch. So that's just my personal opinion. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Coming out clean so far, looking good. Can't wait till the final result. Can't wait to show you guys the final result, actually, but it's coming out clean so far. So we are now in the inside. So we're going to do all the detail parts as far as like the mouth, the nose, and the eyes and stuff like that. So I have no idea what just happened. It just stopped. But I'm about to probably stop it anyway, just to cut these jump stitches. So. Let me stop it real quick. Cut this jump stitch. Almost finished, almost finished. Go ahead and cut that real quick. Stop it, pause it, cut it there. And I'm just gonna clean up everything else once it's all the way done, so no big problem. All right, now done with that portion, off to the last color, which is white for the eyeballs, or the, you know, the eyes. Let's just put it at that. So let's go ahead and change the thread, get that started. Stay tuned, guys. Pause it there real quick. Just want to cut this off. Perfect. Just holding it down. I know it might jump, so. Perfect, all done. So you know the routine. I'm gonna take it out the hoop. Well, I'm not gonna take it out the hoop, but I am gonna remove the hoop from the machine and show you guys the final result. So definitely stay tuned. Alrighty, so the design is finished. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Do it look like Deebo? Yes, no, maybe so. I know it's like a cartoonerized picture or portrait, but this is the one that was easier for me to digitize, so just the one I went with. But for the most part, it's small things that kind of irritates me right now, because of I still see my running stitch, which I don't supposed to see it, but I want to say because the border, as far as the black, when it embroidered, it was not thick enough. So that's something I know next time to make this thicker, which all I have to do is just add some pull comp, probably another pull comp I can add to that, just to give it that thickness, so that I can cover all of the other stitches, because other than that, it came out great. It's a dope design. Like I said, R.I.P to Tommy Lister. And yeah, that will be the end of this video. So once again, this is your boy Deebo Quality Custom Designs, and as always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness, guys. And I'm out.